There are a lot of people in this town who have wonderful ideas, but don't have the resources to maybe turn those into money-making ideas in a business. One of the things they're missing is the legal help that can help them do that. And so through our legal clinic, we're able to help those people who have these wonderful ideas turn them into a profit-making business.
We're a very small business. We started with what we had. Literally, we had $500 in a checking account, a smoker, and a table that was borrowed. We had a passion, but we didn't necessarily have the groundwork laid out. So they made sure that we did things and put things in place so that we would be protected. As we expand, that's really crucial. We just signed a lease on the space here. We actually helped do the lease through the ECDC.
There's so many things, so many intricacies that come along with operating a business, and the legal portion is just a small part that people don't, one of the many things they don't understand, but it's one of the things that's most complex for people who are not in the legal field. And so ECDC has been one of our partners from the beginning that has allowed us to move as far as we've moved, as fast as we have. It has been a direct correlation to being able to provide that legal support for our alumni.
Entrepreneurs need assistance, and they need it in a number of areas, whether it be business planning or access to capital, hiring an employee, getting that first customer. All of those things are very, very important. But there's a common thread. There's a legal thread that runs through that.
The mission of Mortar is to kind of create an inclusive ecosystem for Cincinnati and to remove barriers for people who have historically had no said to them. The work that the legal clinic does helps to remove a barrier of the financial issue. It also helps to remove the barrier of knowledge.
What I think differentiates our clinic from maybe some clinics at other law schools is the level of community engagement we have. And through that community engagement in a thriving and very strong business community, which is Cincinnati, we've been able to enhance the impact on the community, enhance the impact on our students.
As an incubator, we mainly focus and try to coach our clients to help them grow, but we couldn't do that without the connection to the resources like the law clinic.
They helped us do an operating agreement, they gave us a non-disclosure agreement, we got a term of use for our website that we didn't even know we needed. They helped us do some agreements with our distributors and then also do some deals with individuals for funding. The more we talked to them, the more we realized we actually needed more than we knew that we needed. So they helped us out with all that stuff.
To have that amount of legal service offered for nothing is tremendous. There's absolutely really no way that we could really pay for what UC Law is offering us.
We've had all kinds of collaborations. It's been wonderful to be in a community that has a thriving and strong startup community, and to be able to tap into that to provide wonderful experiences for our students.